Hi everybody, good morning. It's Mrs. Lill, and I just wanted to make a quick video for you about the grading policies that I subscribe to for all of our classes. I know for some of you, we've had class together before, so you're very familiar with this. You probably don't even need to read it, but for those of you, well, listen to it, but for those of you that we never had class together, I feel like we need a little clarification. If there is anything that you have missed in our class in the gradebook, whether you have been absent and you were very sick, or whether you were absent but you actually told me right up front. For example, I had a senior this morning who said she was going to be at her senior guidance counselor meeting. She's totally appropriate to go to that, but in the gradebook, I am going to go ahead and enter a 0 for those missed activities. So in Schoology gradebook, there's a missing thing we can do and it automatically gives you a 0. If I have done that to you, that does not mean that it will stay a 0 forever. But what that means is that being a teacher for a number of years, I've learned that if the grade is left empty, there's no cause for concern because it kind of looks like to the student, it didn't impact your grade, it's not that big of a deal. So I'm going to put that missing symbol in there. So whether you were absolutely sick and you need to make it up, you're more than welcome to do that. Whether you told me that you were going to be at a meeting or at a doctor's appointment, but you literally missed class and you missed the activity, you will receive a 0. And if you were in class, totally good to go, and you didn't do it, you will also receive a 0. Now that being said, if you have received a 0 and you actually did miss class, then all you need to do is make it up and send me a note and I'll fix that for full credit. So we just need to have those lines of communication open so we know where everybody stands. So again, as a quick recap, if there is anything in our class that you've received a 0 for, then please send me a message if you make that up and I will go back in when I can and make sure that I take a look at that so I can grade that for you. If the assignment actually is late, then that's a different story. But if you have missed something or it's something I communicated to you about, there is a lot of stuff going on with technology right now, and although I feel like I'm very good with technology, that doesn't mean that I can't make a mistake. So let's just make sure we can have those communication lines open, and I will be cordial to you, and you can be cordial and professional to me whenever you reach out to me. If you have any types of questions on your grade, an appropriate tone is to make sure that you have a message in the subject line. And also, why don't you just ask me a question first rather than accuse me of trying to fail you for the year? Because that is not true. So I hope the more we work together that you feel comfortable that you can ask me different questions like that, because I became a teacher to help young people improve themselves in the area of business. I am not a person that is out to get you. I'm not a person that is trying to fail you. Any questions that you have, please send them my way. Have a great day. Thanks.